Hi, I'm Christy with WTI, and I finally found a solution to a 4-year problem. You know what that is? Our dog Moose and his incessant shedding. This contraption right here is a grooming kit from Neabot, and I'm telling you right now, if you have an animal that sheds, this will literally change your life. This has helped me to be more consistent in grooming our dog because I can do it inside whenever I want. This comes with 2 different brushes. You have a DeShedding tool and then a grooming brush. This also comes with clippers that have various different size guards. So if you have a longer haired dog and you want to trim their hair, this will allow you to do that. It comes with 2 attachments you can use to clean up any excess hair that's fallen during the grooming process. You have a little crevice tool and a brush tool. Surprisingly, this is not very loud. That was actually a huge concern because our dog is terrified of our upright vacuum cleaner. So I want to show you in real time how loud it actually is on the various speeds in case that's a concern of yours too. Okay, there's 3 different suction speeds, so I'm going to show you how loud it is on each one. So for our dog, there wasn't really any kind of adjustment period with the noise. He adapted really well to this right away. I really can't recommend it enough. It's truly gonna make your life so much easier. If you have any kind of pet and you feel like you're constantly cleaning up pet hair, you're going to quickly fall in love with the Neabot. And that's my point of view.